I want all the Kailasavasis and Kailasavasis, people who are living in Kailasa all over the world, and Kailasa Viswasis, sympathizers of Kailasa, and Hindus, I sincerely request and recommend, let us start building self-sustaining communities all over the world as model community trend-setting, self-sustaining agriculture-based communities. O Hindus, even if we set the trend of just 10,000 communities all over the world, self-sustaining, nature-friendly, organic, vegetarian life base, we will set a model for the whole world to learn. This is the first priority. O Hindus, if you are really listening to me, if you are really interested in saving the world, if you are really interested in permanent solution, not just small prevention methods or superficial solutions. If you are looking for permanent solution, create Kailasa communities all over the world. Move to the communities. Let's set model communities. Let's put our time, treasure, talent and make agriculture-based, self-sustaining, Goshala-based, agriculture-based, vegetarian, non-violent lifestyle communities which live successfully as per the cosmic logic. Success defined by consumeristic cult and spread by the mass media cult is the worst delusion with which humanity is suffering. Let me repeat. Successful life defined by mass media cult supported by consumeristic cult. Consumeristic cult promotes mass media cult promotes consumeristic cult. Who is spending for advertisements and sustaining the mass media cult? Consumeristic cult. Who is constantly brainwashing you? Consumeristic cult is the right lifestyle, mass media cult. It's a modern day demons. Stop getting brainwashed and save yourself from consumeristic cult and mass media cult. And start living with asteya, aparigraha, non-stealing, and living with minimal things. Stop stealing from animals, their organs or their life itself. Stop stealing from animals, their organs or life itself. Understand get back to non-violent lifestyle. This is the dharma we need to follow to get out of the karma we created due to our delusion and wrong conclusion. We just need to organize ourselves and set the model communities sustainable, vegetarian, organic, cosmic logic tuned. Kailasas need to be established as a model to the whole world. Understand? The mass media cult is promoting consumeristic cult wildly and violently. Whole humanity is getting brainwashed. Unless now we Hindus wake up and set these model communities to showcase to the world and educate the world. World will gain confidence about good things only if you demonstrate. About bad things if you just instigate their taste and luxury and pleasure instincts. They will be addicted. But for good things, you need to prove by establishing, setting a trend. So understand it is we Hindus, our responsibility to establish this sustainable, cosmic logic based communities all over the world, at least for people to learn, see and pick up and learn and practice. Karma is the reason for corona. One of the reasons for corona is consumeristic cult promoted by mass media cult. Dharma, cosmic solution for this karma is set up Kailasas all over the world and demonstrate it to the world. Non-violence, ahimsa based, asteya, non-stealing based, aparigraha, living with minimal things based, successful, natural, organic, eco-friendly, cosmic logic adopted communities, which I call in one single word Kailasa, all over the world. We just need to set Kailasas all over the world and set a trend and show to the world. Understand, it is not luxury anymore, it is survival need. If any of you understand what I am talking, please take action immediately, as early as possible. move to nearest Kailasa or create the Kailasa where you are. Let's make model communities before it is too late. Your ambitions, ideas about successful life, which is promoted by consumeristic cult and modern media cult. The brainwashing done to you by the so-called idea of successful life by modern media cult, mass media cult and consumeristic cult is too much before it becomes too late. Get out of this brainwashing by consumeristic cult and the mass media cult. Let's create the model Kailasas all over the world.